Dear students, I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Now I intend to give my identity. I am MD Ashrafuzzaman, Pulihat Girls High School, Jashore. I am going to take a class about conditional sentences. You know, this item is included in your syllabus. I will try my best to make you clear about the conditional sentences. Generally, in our syllabus, one part is given in the question paper, the other part is to be written. Now, at first, we see there are three categories of conditional sentences. The categories are first condition, second condition, and third condition. If we see that sentences are written or used with the conditional words if, or in case, unless, provided that, providing that, etc. These are called conditional sentences. Now, firstly, dear students, look at the blackboard. At first, the sentence number 1, if you read books. Here, read is verb. Here read is verb, and here read is in present form. That means the sentence is in present tense, present indefinite tense or present simple tense. If we see the first part of sentences is in present tense with the conditional word if, we can use the another part future indefinite, subject plus will plus V1. We can also use subject plus may or might plus V1. Now follow, dear students. If you read books, you will learn many things. যদি তোমরা বই পড়ো তাহলে তোমরা অনেক কিছু শিখবে। Similarly, in next sentence we see if you take physical exercise you will keep fit. I have used the verb take in the present form. That means the first part of the sentence is present simple tense. In the next another part you see I have used future indefinite tense, subject plus will plus V1. In the third sentence we see if you follow the rules of health you will enjoy your life well. That sentence number 3 is also present simple, and the another part you see future indefinite, subject plus will plus V1. But if you choose, you can use subject plus may or can in the another part. Now, dear students, the first one here is first condition, and the second one is the answers of the conditional sentence. In question paper, the question submitter, question maker may give you the first part or the second part. If you see in question paper there is the second portion, second part, you have to answer or you have to write in your answer script the first part. Dear students, I think you have cleared about the conditional sentences of first condition. Now, if we turn these sentences into past simple, you know the verb read, first form, second form, third form, same. but the pronunciation is different. Read, read, read. Here if you read books, that means you can guess the verb form here is second form. Then the sentence is past indefinite, past simple. So you have to change will. You should use here would or might or could. If you read books, তোমরা যদি বই পড়তে, you would learn many things, তোমরা অনেক কিছু শিখতে, or you could learn many things, অনেক কিছু শিখতে পারতে। In the same way, if you took physical exercise, you would keep fit. That means I have turned the first condition into second condition. Now the sentence is second condition. When you will see the sentence is in past simple with the conditional words if, in case, unless, providing that, etc. You can call it the second condition. When you see the first part is used in second condition, then you should use subject plus would or could or might plus V1. If you took physical exercise, you would keep fit. In the third sentence, we see if you followed, here V2, the verb form V2, followed. If you followed the rules of health, you would enjoy your life well. I think the pattern is very simple. You can easily change from the first condition to second condition, and you should practice a lot staying at your home. If you practice with the sentence if, you can write many sentences and your writing skills will be improved, I firmly believe. Dear students, now we will turn the second condition with turn into third condition. If we use this past simple sentence into past perfect, you know past perfect, in past perfect tense the structure form is subject plus had plus V3. Here you have read books, this is past perfect tense. Next, when you will see the first part of the sentence is in past perfect tense with the conditional words if, you should use in another part subject plus would have, could have, might have plus V3. Here follow, if you had read books, you would have learned many things. I have written the first sentence is in past perfect tense and the another one is subject plus would have plus V3 plus extension. Similarly, in the second sentence, you can easily change this sentence. If you had taken physical exercise, then physical exercise. The sentence is in past perfect tense. In another part, you will have to use subject plus would have or could have or might have plus V3. If you had taken physical exercise, you would have been healthy. I have used subject plus would have plus V3 plus exception. In the next sentence, if we turn this second condition into third condition, we can see if you had followed the rules of health, you would have. Here we have to use subject plus would have plus V3 enjoyed your life well. তুমি যদি স্বাস্থ্যবিধি অনুসরণ করতে, তুমি তোমার জীবনটা ভালো করে এনজয় করতে। Dear students, I hope you have learnt the lesson well. So you have to practice a lot. I think if you practice, you can easily make these sentences using first condition, second condition and third condition very easily. I hope you have learnt well. No more today. Thanks to all. Allah Hafiz.